Oh, so good day everyone. I'm Jan Christopher Evian. I'm grade 12, and today we will tackle about the traits theory under the crime causation. So let's go. Theories of crime causation. Traits theories, biological and psychological traits. Foundation of theories. Cesare Lombroso worked on the born criminal, identified the primitive atavistic anomalies that he believed were the direct cause of crime. Raffaele Garofalo showed up belief that certain physical characteristics indicate a criminal nature. A lower degree of sensibility to physical pain seems to be demonstrated by the redness with which prisoners submit to the operation of tattooing. Enrico Perry added a social dimension to Lombroso's work and argued that criminals should not be held personally or morally responsible for their actions because forces outside their control cause criminality. 3 types of body builds were identified. Mesomorphs have well-developed muscles and athletic appearance. They are active, aggressive, sometimes violent, and the most likely become criminal. Endomorphs have heavy builds and slow-moving. They are known for lethargic behavior, rendering them unlikely to commit violent crime and more willing to engage in less strenuous criminal activities such as fencing stolen property. Ectomorphs are tall, thin, and less social and more intellectual than the other types. Sociobiology differs from earlier theories on behavior in that it stresses that biological and genetic conditions affect how social behavior are learned and perceived. Contemporary traits theories. Traits theories today do not suggest that a single biological or psychological attribute is thought to adequately explain all criminality. Rather, each offender is considered unique physically and mentally. Consequently, there must be different explanations for each person's behavior. Biological trait theories. Biosocial theory. Biosocial theory, physical, environmental, and social conditions work in concert to produce human behavior. Biochemical, brain function, neurophysiological, genetics, and evolutionary. Biochemical condition and crime. Biochemical conditions, including both those that are genetically predetermined and those acquired through diet and environment, control and influence antisocial behavior. Chemical and mineral influences. Minimum levels of minerals and chemicals are needed for normal brain functioning and growth, especially in the early years of life. Diet and crime. Research shows that excessive amount of harmful substances such as food dyes and artificial color and or flavor seems to provoke hostile, impulsive, and other antisocial behavior. Glucose metabolism and hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia occurs when glucose in the blood falls below levels necessary for normal and efficient brain functioning. Hormonal influences. Hormones cause areas of the brain to become less sensitive to environmental stimulation. Abnormal levels of male sex hormones, androgens, do in fact produce aggressive behavior. Premenstrual syndrome. The onset of the menstrual cycle triggers excessive amount of the female sex hormones, which affects antisocial aggressive behavior. Allergies are defined as unusual or excessive reaction of the body to foreign substances. There are 2 types of allergies, cerebral and neuroallergies. Environmental contaminants. Dangerous substances in the environment including lead, copper, cadmium, mercury, and inorganic gases such as chlorine and nitrogen dioxide. Aggressive behavior on both a macro or group, nation level, on a micro or individual case level. On macro level, area with highest concentration of lead also report the highest level of homicide. On micro level, Research finds that even limited exposure to lead can have deleterious influence on child's development and subsequent behavior and correlates significantly. Neurological condition and crime. Neurophysiology, the study of brain activities. Measuring neurological impairment, memorization, visual awareness tests, short-term memory, auditory tests, and verbal IQ tests. Learning disabilities, one specific type of MBD that has generated considerable interest in learning disability, a disorder in one or more of the basic psychological processes involved in understanding or using unspoken or written language. Minimal brain dysfunction, defined as an abruptly appearing maladaptive behavior that interrupts an individual's lifestyle and life flow. Brain chemistry. Neurotransmitters are chemicals compounds that influence or active brain function. Those studied in relation to aggression include the followings. Arousal theory. According to sociologist Jack Katz, there are immediate gratification from criminality, which he labels the seduction of crime. Genetic crime. Early biological theories believe that criminality runs in families. Although research deviant families is not taken seriously today, modern biosocial theories are still interested in the role of genetics. So let's move on to psychological traits theories. Evolutionary theory. According to this view, the competition for scarce resource has influenced and shaped the human species. Psychodynamic. The research focuses of the theory are on mental disorder, personality development, and unconscious motivation and drives. Behavioral. The research focuses of the theory are the media and violence, as well as the effect of child abuse. Cognitive. The research focus of the theory are perception and cognition. And that's all. I hope you like it, and thank you for your watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.